Assalamu alaikum and good morning class 4. Today is Friday 18 December 2020. We are revising decimals and we know what are decimal. It is a special fraction that have 10, 100 and 1000 in the denominator. Decimals come from a Latin word decimus that means tenth. Okay, so we had done last day question number 8 and 9 of exercise 4a. Today we will do question number 12. I hope you have understood question number 8 and 9 and you enjoyed doing activity of decimals. Today we have to convert these fractions into the decimals. But remember, we have learned in the definition the decimals should have 10, 100 and 1000 in the denominator. But there is no 10, 100 and 1000. It is 1 by 4. So what we have to do, we have to check. Do there comes 100 in the table of 4. Okay, 4 tens are 40. So 4 20s are 80. And if 4 20s are 80, then 4 21s are 84, 22s are 88, 23s are 92, then 24s are 96, then 25s are 100. Yes. So when we read table of 4 till 25, we get 100. So if I multiply 25 in the denominator, I have to multiply it in the numerator as well to equalize it. Okay, so let's do the solution. Prepare your pages, prepare your copy, okay, and start doing it because we are doing revision, so you know what the next step is. So boys, here you can see I have written 1 by 4 multiplied by 25 and 4 multiplied by 25. So 4 25s are is 100 in the denominator and 125s are is 25. Now you can see it is a decimal fraction. Okay, but we have to convert it into the decimal. So you know 1 will turn into the decimal point as it has 2 zeros and there are 2 digits. So I can write this 2 and 5 in place of zeros, but it is not looking good, so I am writing 0.25. That is our answer. Okay, now we will do part B. As boys, you can see in part B there is 3 by 20 and in the table of 20 we know there comes 100. 25s are 100. Okay, so what I have to do, my first step in the solution will be multiply by 5 and multiply by 5 in both numerator and denominator. So boys, now you have seen I have written 3 multiplied by 5 and 20 multiplied by 5. So 25s are, we know that is 100. In the denominator it is 100. 3 5s are 15. As this fraction has 2 zeros and there are 2 digits in the numerator, I can turn it into the decimal very easily. 1 will turn into the point, and as it has 2 zeros, I can write 1 and 5 of the numerator. Okay, and it is not looking good, so I have written 0 over here. Now it is 3 by 20 in the decimal is 0.15. Let's do the next part. So boys, this part have 9 by 25 and you all know as the table of 25 is very easy like the table of 5. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. So we know when we have 2, 50, 50, it means we have 100. So 25 fours are 100, and if I am multiplying 4 in the denominator, I have to multiply 4 in the numerator. 9 fours are 36 and 25 fours are 100. I will write the new fraction 36 over 100. And here you can see boys, I have written 36 over 100. And this one has turned into the point and it has 2 zeros and there are 2 digits in the numerator. So I have written the numerator digit 36 and have put 0.36. Okay, we have to do the next question, that is 2 by 5. Oh, so it is about 5. Let's see, you all, till I write the question, you all read in your heart. Is there a table? In the table of 5, do 100 come? Please, you remember try to remember it where we have to read the table of 5 400. So you can help me doing it. 2 by 5. Okay. 5 tens are 50. 5 20s are 100. Yes. Well then, boys. Please do the drill of tables at home. I cannot take your dodging table test over here, but you have to do the drill and ask your parents, your sisters, or you can also play the games of dodging tables, okay, with your siblings as well. 2 by 5, and I can write over here 5 20s are, so I have to multiply 2 with 20. 2 20s are, as 2 10s are 20. So 2 20s are 40. It will be, as you can see boys, 2 20s are 40, 5 20s are 100, and this one has turned into the point as it has two digits, sorry, two zeros, and there are two digits, so it is 0.40 is our answer. We will do the next part, that is 39 over 500. So boys, in this sum we have 39 over 500 and we have to make it 1000, because in the definition of decimal we know there should be 10, 100 and 1000, and we have done the practice as well. So 500 in the solution we will write 39 over 500 multiply by 2. 500 2s are 1000. When we have two notes, currency notes of 500, so it means we have 1000 rupees. So it is 1000 in the denominator, and 2 9s are 18, 8, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 and 1 is 7. Now let's see, there are 3 zeros but there are only 2 digit above. So what I have to do? I have to add 1 0 over here. And you can see I am adding the 0 in different color. So there are now 3 digits in the numerator and 3 zeros in the denominator. 078 means 78. Okay. This 0, if I write 0 here, it do not change its value. So now I can turn this one into the decimal point. Okay, and there are 3 zeros, so I can write these 3 digits of the numerator 078, and here I have written 0. So it is 0.078 is our answer. 39 over 500 in the decimal point is 0.078. You can also check it with the help of calculator.